The Simsbury man accused of stabbing his wife to death inside their home is now being held on a $2.5 million bond. This is the fifth domestic violence homicide in Connecticut so far this year.
Today, that suspect appeared in Hartford Superior Court. NBC Connecticut's Amanda Pitts joins us there live with new information. Amanda.
Yeah, Mike, Keisha, we learned today in court that it was the couple's 18-year-old child that actually called 911 when they heard screaming and arguing from an upstairs bedroom. Police say that it was a box cutter that was used in the fatal attack.
Suffered extreme trauma.
On quiet Wildwood Road in Simsbury, this home was the scene of a gruesome domestic violence homicide Friday morning.
The report was set on $2.5 million.
Police say it was just before 11:30 when an 18-year-old called 911 to report their parents were fighting upstairs. The wife, 49-year-old Cho Rong Fong, was screaming for help. Court records state the teen yelled, "What are you guys doing?" twice, but no one answered. The teen said they were, quote, too scared to go upstairs. Once officers arrived, the husband, 50-year-old Ding Seng Lin, covered in blood, disobeyed their orders.
Disregarded commands to come down the stairs, ran into the bedroom and shut the door, where the officers found him on top of the victim.
According to the affidavit, the officers kicked in the door, pulled Lin off of his wife, and saw that she had a stab wound to the throat. A box cutter was on the floor nearby. Police performed life-saving measures, but Rong Fong was pronounced dead at the hospital. Lin was charged with murder and faced that charge Monday through an interpreter speaking Mandarin.
But there is a language barrier here. You may not have understood the police officer's instructions. And although the police report says that, yes, he was on top of the victim, he could have been trying to render first aid.
It's unclear what the motive is, but Lin's defense attorney said he had undergone psychiatric services in the past and asked for that again, expressing his own doubts that he's competent to stand trial.
Based on my interactions, he does seem to be exhibiting some inability to understand what's happening here.
Now, a competency evaluation was ordered, and Lin is due back here at Hartford Superior Court in June. His attorney did not want to speak to us on camera, but did say off camera that his client looks forward to his day in court. Live in Hartford, Amanda Pitts, NBC Connecticut News.